Okay, first I'm starting out with this LA Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, and I'm priming my eyelids and blending that out with a dry beauty blender. And I'm just taking my Rimmel Matte powder and setting that. Now I'm taking MAC Saddle on a Real Techniques fluffy brush, and I'm just applying the shadow in my crease and blending out very well in circular motions. Just blend, blend, blend. And I'm taking this up a little bit higher. I have a lot of lid space, so I have to move up a little bit. So I'm just taking this Sephora brush and I'm putting MAC rice paper on my brow bone with that flat brush, and taking this fluffy brush by RC Cosmetics, and I'm just blending those two shadows together. Now I am taking a MAC Gold Shadow, which I'm gonna list in the description because I forgot what it was. But I'm applying that lightly over my mobile eyelids because I don't want a lot of texture or for it to get flaky looking. So take your time and apply it lightly. Now I'm going back into that saddle and just blending out anything that I lost in the crease. Now I'm going in with MAC Embark, and I'm going to deepen up the outer V of my eye, and this is just going to add a little depth to this eye look. Just deepen up the crease, and I'm just taking this card and I'm just kind of winging out the shadows, so it's going to give me like a wing liner look, which I love this technique. This is a very nice trick, and I'm using like a Morphe pencil brush, and I'm going in and just blending out that shadow and just making it even on both sides. Now I'm taking my favorite liquid liner by Sephora. It's a felt tip liner, and I'm just following along that line of shadow and creating a small wing and keeping it thin on the eyelid. If you have hooded eyes, you don't want to go too thick on your eyeliner, otherwise it'll make your eyes appear very small. Now I'm taking the Inglot number 77 and just lining my waterline. Now I'm taking my favorite lashes. They're Angie by Tracy Lynn Beauty, using this Kiss glue and my lash applicator and applying my lashes. I tell you, you must try these Angie lashes. I will have my link to my beauty website with Tracy Lynn, and you can order these lashes. They are so beautiful and spiky, and I love the lift on the end. I have a slightly hooded eye, and with hooded eyes, it's important to know your eye type, how you pick your lashes. Now I'm just cleaning up any fallout with some micellar water and preparing my skin, and I'm getting ready to apply some MAC Prep and Prime, and this just moisturizes my skin and gets it prepared for my foundation, and it just helps my foundation glide on and look smooth and seamless. So now I am going to be using Makeup Forever HD foundation and my Morphe foundation brush. I like to squirt a little bit of rose water on it and get the brush a little wet, and it just helps my foundation to go on better. Now I'm going back in with Pure Beige, the LA Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to highlight a little bit. Pure Beige is really close to my skin tone, so I would say it's about one shade up, and I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight to this look. And I've already, my camera's about to go out, so I've already baked underneath the eyes and where I apply concealer. Now I'm going in and bronzing up with this Sephora bronzer. I will link or put the name of it in the description, and just bronzing up around the perimeters of my face and slimming down my face by contouring in the areas that I want to appear smaller, such as my nose. Now I'm going in with my Morphe fluffy brush and just taking away all of that powder and blending everything in well. I don't know where my headband was, but I got massive powder in my hair. Now I'm taking MAC Peaches. I love this blush. It looks so natural to my skin tone, and it's just one of my faves. Look how pretty it is, and it goes so well with this look. Now I'm just taking some Fix Plus, and this is going to just absorb some of the powders that I put on my face and just help the makeup melt into the skin better. Now I'm going to go ahead and smoke out underneath my eyes, the lower lash line with Embark, and I'm using a pencil brush by Morphe, and just blend that well and smoke it out really well. This just gives you a nice smoky eye. Now I'm taking my favorite, one of my favorite highlighters by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Amazing highlighter, and I'm just highlighting in my usual favorite spots. As you can see, if you watch any of my other videos, you'll see where I normally highlight all the time. I love to look dewy and glowy. It just makes your skin look so healthy, and I don't know, it just amps up the makeup. And now I'm taking MAC's Lady Danger. It's a beautiful orange lipstick, and I thought it would look really good with this gold eyeshadow, and I just love how this look turned out. I love this lipstick. It's called Lady Danger by MAC, and it's not complete without Irving Decay All-Nighter Spray. This sets my makeup and makes it last all day. I love how this looks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.